नमस्कार। आप सभी को गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। We have gathered here today to celebrate our 72nd Republic Day. On this day, 71 years ago, our country became a republic and we gave ourselves a new constitution. Our constitution guarantees liberty, justice and equality to all its citizens, and dignity of the individual and fraternity of the country. We should all strive to fulfill the dreams of our forefathers. Last 1 year has been a very tough one for all of us. The corona pandemic has taken a toll on all walks of life. In the present COVID scenario, we are continuing our operations in office with strict compliance to the government guidelines, and we all should continue to follow the same for our safety and interest of ourselves and of the country. In spite of this adversity, our institute has done very well. All our essential services such as HPC, etc. have been running uninterruptedly, and all the forecasts have been generated without fail. We have moved all our meetings online using software developed in-house based on open source tools. This has been extensively used to organize webinars also. We have conducted more than 50 webinars on diverse topics, both in Hindi and English. Desk, LIP, and computer division deserve a big applause for this. We have conducted them not only for ourselves, but also for MOEs. Our GA has been doing excellent work untiringly to keep our surroundings clean and hygienic. They deserve a big applause for this work. Thank you all. Our scientists have been working hard during the current pandemic situation, as can be seen from the fact that we have published 217 papers this year. It's a new record. Clearly, our colleagues have done a big job and have used the lockdown as an opportunity to conduct innovative research. They deserve a big round of applause. Today, IITM is one of the leading centers in the world for excellence in basic research on land, ocean, atmosphere, climate system, which is required for improvement of climate and weather forecasts. Not only our country, but the whole world is looking at us to do innovative research to further improve the forecasts, especially in the tropics. The accuracy and reliability of our forecast products are now being recognized worldwide and have created much interest among different stakeholders, including the common people. Institute's scientific expertise has now been used for developing innovative applications for agriculture, economics, renewable energy, health, water resources, management, and transportation, and of course many other fields. I'll now talk about the honors and awards that has been garnered by our institute. I'm happy to say that our scientists and staff have won many awards and the honors for our outstanding performance and achievements. I would like to mention a few. The list is long, but I would just mention a few of them. Dr. Roxy Matthew Kohli was elected a member of the Research Foci Group on Tropical Basin Interactions, TBI, of CLIVA. Dr. Sanjay has been nominated as a member of the expert network of the new WMO technical commissions on Infocom and CIRCOM. Dr. Yogesh Tiwari has been nominated as a member for the WMO Integrated Global Greenhouse Gas Information System GI3IS Steering Committee. Dr. S.D. Pawar has been nominated as a member of expert committee to implement the action plan on thunderstorm and lightning by the National Disaster Management Agency. Dr. P. Mukhopadhyay was awarded the 5th Biennial IITM Golden Jubilee Award on IITM Foundation Day. Dr. Sachin P. Gude was awarded the MOES Certificate of Merit for the year 2020 for outstanding contribution in the field of atmospheric science and technology. Srimati A.A. Desai, Shri Sandeep Kulkarni, and Shri Vikas Bamble were also awarded the MOES Award for Best Employees for the year 2020. Among the MOES institutes, IITM bagged the second prize under the Swachhta Pakhwada Award 2020, coordinated by the Drinking Water and Sanitation Ministry of the Government of India. As far as academics were concerned, 9 students were awarded PhDs during the last year, that is 2020. Amongst the other major notable achievements, we released the National Climate Change Assessment Report titled Assessment of Climate Change over the Indian Region, which was coordinated by CCCR, and it has been brought out by MOES as an open source book by Springer Nature. CCCR's efforts in this direction are really laudable. IITM has signed an MOU with the Central Public Works Department, CPWD, at Bhopal for development of the civil and electrical infrastructure at the Atmospheric Research Testbed, ART, near Bhopal. Efforts are on for procuring and installing requisite equipment at this site. Progress is quite satisfactory at this site. A technical report on roadmap for IITM model development has been published for developing a unified modeling framework for delivering seamless predictions of monsoon, weather and climate. Our GEFS-based forecasts provided useful guidance in predicting the strike probability and cyclone track for supercyclone Amphan and the very severe cyclonic storm Nisarga. The skill was excellent even at very long lead times. IITM has contributed in the development of integrated flood warning system for Mumbai, iFlows Mumbai, which was launched by Maharashtra Chief Minister Shri Uddhav Balasahebji Thackeray and the Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan on 12th of June 2020. It provides 3 to 6 hour nowcast as well as 72-hour early warning forecast for flooding, especially for high rainfall events and cyclones. Continuous ground-based observations under various projects such as SkyPex, HSEPL, SAFAR, etc. have been carried out in spite of the adverse conditions, and the instruments at these facilities are being monitored and operated remotely. IITM has contributed for the development of the Mausam mobile app for IMD to enhance dissemination activity of weather forecast and warning services. It was launched by Honorable Minister for Earth Sciences on 27 July 2020 on our Foundation Day. We are now running the 6th phase of Winter Fog Campaign WIFEX at Indira Gandhi International Airport, New Delhi, and at Hisar. These sites were augmented with new equipment and are also being controlled online from Pune. High-resolution fog forecasts are being provided for Delhi at 2 kilometers and 400 meters resolution and the northern region at 4 kilometer resolution. A dedicated website provides nowcasting and forecasting information for IGI Airport Delhi and visibility forecasts for Varanasi, Lucknow, Amritsar and Jaipur airports. DGCA registration and unique identity numbers have been obtained for our unmanned aerial vehicle, that is UAV, for which we are proposed to do operations in India as part of the atmospheric research program under NFAR. Standard operating procedures SOP for IITM UAV have been approved by the competent authority of DGCA and is being processed further for necessary action. National Defense Academy has kindly approved the utilization of the NDA airfield for IITM's UAV operations. The UAV laboratory, titled as Lower Atmospheric Research Using Unmanned Aerial System Facility, LORUS, has been established with basic infrastructure at IITM. A lightning network is further being expanded across the country by putting new sensors at different places. The iPhone version of the mobile app for lightning alert, Damini, has been made available. We successfully provided lightning forecasts which are being updated daily at the STORM website. SAFAR India Air Quality Forecast is now being issued online on a daily basis for Delhi, Pune, Mumbai and Ahmedabad. Air quality early warning system for Delhi NCR region is active and forecasts are being issued online on a daily basis. HSEPL has developed software for automatic weather systems module for data sharing and online display. These instruments are now being installed at IMD Bhopal for being remotely monitored for their health and status. The PIV experiments on wall jets and the development of hot wire probes and design of water-based convection setup has been initiated at the Fluid Dynamics Laboratory of our institute. IITM successfully observed Swachhata Pakhwada 2020 from 1st to 15 July. As part of the event, IITM organized a webinar series for Swachhata and other related themes. IITM played a major role in the organization of Vaishvik Bharatiya Vaigyanik Summit, Vaibhav, and coordinated the Earth Science vertical. Let us now look forward to what we should be doing in the next few years. Our achievement so far has been possible only with the collective efforts of all the scientific, technical, support, and administrative staff. I'm very optimistic that we'll continue working sincerely with more enthusiasm and vigor, and hope that our continuous and consistent scientific endeavor will strengthen our contribution towards country's weather and climate services. In our own way, we'll be working to fulfill our forefathers' vision of a prosperous India. We have a vast storehouse of knowledge, experience, data, and information. Let us use it innovatively to give the very best to our country. In the present pandemic situation, I request all of you to be vigilant and give our best to protect ourselves, our families, and society at large, and minimize the spread of the disease. I request all of you to stay safe and stay healthy. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.